has its own airline, is buying up shopping malls, and is looking to put docking stations on top of streetlights that drones can use to charge their batteries as they make deliveries. All of this is being done by a company that is only 25 years old. It is Amazon's online businesses that have made the company so powerful, from Amazon.com to IMDb and Twitch. There is also the highly profitable Amazon Web Services, which is used by the likes of Netflix, Uber, Spotify, and more. All of these online businesses are fueling the money and power behind Amazon to build new high-tech ventures for the real world, such as the Just Walk Out Amazon Go stores, or putting their voice control assistant Alexa into everything from microwaves, ovens, and vacuum cleaners to hotels and cars. So what will Amazon's city of the future look like? A future that will allow packages to be teleported into your hands while your personal assistant Alexa takes care of your daily life.
Alarm set for 7 a.m. tomorrow.
When a founder is running the company they started, you can look to the philosophy of the founder to understand the company itself. Jeff Bezos says there are companies that are obsessed with their customers and companies that are obsessed with their competitors. He is obsessed about the customers.
One of the great things about customers all over the world, they are divinely discontent. You give them the best service you can, they love it, but they always want a little bit more.
He likes that challenge, the challenge of giving customers lower prices, faster shipping, and easier shopping. And when customers always want a little bit more, that means you are always one step behind. That is where day one comes in. Jeff Bezos says it's always day one at Amazon. Day one is about the willingness to invent and to pioneer, because on day two, that is when you become irrelevant and decline. Whenever Amazon has tried to do something that other companies are already doing, they have failed, says Jeff Bezos. Take real-world retail as an example of Amazon's pioneering. It is a well-established space. So how does Amazon stand out? By creating stores that you can just walk out of with your items and are charged automatically online. If you want to see what the Amazon city of the future will look like, then there are three areas to explore. The first is shipping. How is Amazon going to teleport goods into your hands? From creating its own Uber network of drivers to the downtown drone beehive. The second area is their hybrid retail shopping. Amazon is not in the business of selling products, but in the business of helping you make buying decisions, inceptionizing you on what to buy. And lastly, there is Alexa, the assistant that with the use of your voice can control the appliances in your kitchen, operate your car, and even your hotel room.
You need a logo. The obvious choice is going to Fiverr and finding a logo designer in seconds. But you're not.
Amazon's fleet, teleporting goods with right now shipping. In the past, Jeff Bezos and his early team would pack books on their hands and knees and then take them to the post office. It was a chaotic time. Packages would be shipped late, and packing on tables instead of the floor doubled their productivity. Now you have 2-day free shipping, 1-day free shipping, and even Amazon Now, the free 2-hour delivery service, saving you a trip out to the shops. This is all possible because Amazon has been building its own delivery system. From operating cargo ships in between China and the US to having 20,000 delivery vans and 300 semi-trucks. Amazon even has its own airline. Amazon Air is Amazon's cargo airline that has an expanding fleet of 50 planes. All of the airplanes and trucks allow Amazon to send packages around the US faster. The packages then end up at one of Amazon's fulfillment centers.